Welcome to Java Interview Guide. Today we are going to look at one of the most asked questions in Java interview, and that is internal working of HashMap. So we use HashMap when we have to store a key and value pair, and we want this key to be unique. A HashMap generally uses three data structures. One is array, the second is linked list, and the last is red black tree, also known as binary tree. This was introduced in Java 8. So what happens when we try to add a key value pair into our hash map? We will have an array. Each of the elements of this array are called buckets. When we try to insert this key value pair into this hash map, what internally it does is it uses a hash function. That hash function takes this key as input and it returns a value between 0 to n minus 1 where n is length of this array. So let's say we want to insert a key value pair, key being, let's say, student ID, which is something called AB23, okay, and a name, let's say Suraj. What hash function will do is it will take this key, okay, and using this key it will generate a value between 0 to n minus 1. So let's say the value is 2. So what it will do is it will go to this second bucket and check if there is any value present or not. So right now we don't have any value here. What it's going to do is create a node of linked list and we'll keep this key AB23 and this name Suraj into this linked list and pass the reference of this list right here. Now let's say you have another student with a different CD25 and name as Ankit. So when we try to add this particular node, it will again pass it through this hash function with this CD25 value. And let's say this time it generates a value 3. It will again check on the third index. And again, we don't have any value here. So it will create a list and add it here. So CD25 Ankit, it will add at the fourth index. Now, let's say you want to add another value, okay, and this time it be BD28 and something name Pankaj. It will again pass it through this hash function, and let's say this time this hash function returns 2 again. It will go back to second position and see like there is still a value present. So it will go to the node. On this node, it will check if this node points to another node or whether it's the end of list. If it's end of list, what it's going to do is add this to the end of list here.